Sergio Quaresma.
Wow.
Next is Mr. and Mrs. Marcelino Galang of San Roque. May we call on Mr. and Mrs. Conrado Ignacio Jr. of San Isidro. Next in our list, Mrs. Brigida Domingo of San Roque. And last but certainly not the least, Mr. and Mrs. Antonio Mayes of San Roque. Once again, a big hand for our outstanding parents for the year 2013 and 2014.
Tapos sa picture, pa-picture, ay ano. Paano ba yan nasa picture?
Mr. Conrado Ignacio from San Isidro, La Paz, Tarlac. Eto na po pala. Again, a round of applause please for our Outstanding Parents Awardee.
Ingat na.
Okay. Ready po.
Okay, once again, a round of applause for our Outstanding Parents Awardee. Thank you po. We shall now go up to our Loyalty Awardees. We call on Dr. Joyce Frias to please help us in distribution of the awards. First award